Hello everyone, let's discuss the Java program to replace all the zeros as 1 in the given integer or input. Okay, so first of all, let's declare the variable needed to do this program. So here I just declared the variable. In the variable num, we have the number, input number, and there is another variable new num which is initialized as 0. Now let's give the logic behind this program here. So here we just give the logic. So first of all, if the entered number itself is 0, then new num we are initializing it as 1. Okay, now number greater than 0 means first of all we have to take individual digits and we are holding it in the variable reminder. Now if that reminder is 0, then we have to replace it, right? That is why we are setting reminder as 1. Now in the new num we are reversing it and we are adding new num into 10 plus reminder. So for example, let's take the input as 310. So obviously 310, the last place is 0, so we have to replace that 0 as 1. So it should be 311, right? But here after doing this while loop, what we are getting is we will be replacing that 0 as 1, but we will be storing it in the reverse order, that is 113. Now again setting num variable as 0, and this time new num greater than 0 means I am again reversing it. So now new num is actually 113, right? Now we have to reverse it once again, that we are doing here, so that we will be getting it as 311. Yes, once the reverse is processed done once again, then we are printing that num. This time we are storing that in the variable called the num. That's why we are printing num. Now let's run this program and see the output. So enter a number. So let's enter the same number, 310. Okay. So yes, last place we have to replace it with 1. So answer will be 311. So this is the Java program to replace the zeros as 1 in the given input integer.